Hi, this is Derek with Knife Ship Free. Let's talk about the products that you need to sharpen a convex ground knife. Now, we have a whole series of videos that'll teach you how to sharpen convex blades, and the video series is excellent, and I highly suggest watching it. So to do this, you need two separate components. You need first a leather hone. And now, a leather hone is, it's not rocket science. It is simply a piece of leather glued to a piece of wood, and that's it. This is ours that we sell. It's a two-sided leather hone with two thick pieces of leather on each side. The leather just has enough give that it lets that convex edge work. And if you watch our videos, we'll show you how to make these, and you can make them for a little bit less than you can buy them from us, but I guarantee you that these that we have made for us to our specs, you're not going to pay very much more for ours, and you'll save a ton of time. It's a lot more work than you think. But anyway, the leather hone. Second thing you need is an abrasive. Now, the most basic ones that we sell and that you need are the Bark River green and black compounds. Now, I don't know what the grits are on these. I have no clue. Bark River doesn't know. They're Bark River's proprietary stuff. So I've tried other green and black compounds. These work better. That's all I can tell you. So if you're using normal steels, regular steels, this should be all you need to maintain the edge of your knife. I use this stuff. You can see this is mine, green and black. I use it every time I sharpen a knife, and it doesn't matter what kind of steel it is. At the end of it, I always use green and black compound. Now, if you have some of the super steels that are super abrasion resistant, then you'll have to step up your abrasives. So for that, we have the CBN, which is cubic boron nitride solution. It's an emulsion that has these abrasives suspended in it. And so you just take a very small amount of this and you spread it on the leather just like you would the green or the black compound, and then you just use it just like the same. It cuts metal much faster than the green or the black, and it works on pretty much everything. The only downside of this is that it's a bit more expensive and it's kind of messy when you first start. When you use it, just be sure that you write on the hone what grit you have put on this piece of leather, because you think you'll remember it, but you won't. So this leather hone is actually my favorite way to maintain a knife. It's almost therapeutic to do. I guess I'm kind of into the whole meditation while you sharpen, and all my knives are crazy sharp. And this is what I use to maintain it. Now, if you do let your knives get dull, really dull, then you're going to have to use some sandpaper. Then you just put it right on top of the hone, or we have a complete sharpening kit that comes with sandpaper, leather, all goes in a nice little dry box and all that stuff. But great stuff for sharpening.